Hello, and thank you for stopping by Huck's Pig Cookers, better known as Huck's Metal Works on Facebook. Come on and let's check out this repair Tim's doing. Hurry up now. So here we go. We had a repair come in and Tim has been working on it. The inside was eat up. So he come in, we flipped her over and we put a new bottom on this grill. And here it is. I'm just going to show you this little bit right here. I should have done this when he had it flipped over, but I didn't think about it at the time. And he had to, I'm on the wrong side, over here it was messed up on the bottom. So he fixed that little spot right there. Okay, Tim just got his frame cut. Now he's getting ready to weld it together. Now he's on the final run. He is welding out. And this pan will be finished. While he's doing that, I'm going to show you the old one. It's terrible. This is what the old pan looks like. Oh, that thing has seen its day. Okay, the pan is built. So now all we have to do is clean it up a little bit and throw a little bit of paint on it. And here the repair is finished. Tim got it painted and it looks great, y'all. This repair is ready to pull out of the yard. Alright now, don't forget to mash that red button if you hadn't. Y'all have a great day now, you hear?